Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Rudy with your Realtivist, and I'm here, Martin Deerline, in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and it is a playground par excellence. So mainly John Deere, but look what else I've found. So we have all kinds of stuff. We have Arians, BCS Tractors, marine turf equipment, spreaders, and John Deere, ATVs, tractors, and look at this guy. We have Ventracs here, the whole beauty, snow equipment. Wow, perfect. Look at that puppy here. Isn't it beautiful? This will get you anywhere. We have a little tractor here and all kinds of agricultural stuff here. So this is Martin Deerline in Edmonton.